What is up guys, JON-SAB Moto here for another video. I'm just gonna show you my newly painted motorcycle rim hubs. Now these are the stock hubs that I had replaced with the Thai concept silver hubs that I bought, which didn't work well for my bike. I had no issues with this rear silver hub, but the front one sucks real bad. I mean, it doesn't spin freely when you properly tighten the axle nut, and it drags real bad. So I had to let it go because I had no choice. I mean, you don't want to loosen the front axle up just to make your front wheel spin freely, because you're compromising safety already if that's the case. You guys know the drill. And so I'm gonna put back the stock hubs instead for better performance and safety, of course. So I thought it would be nice to repaint these before putting it back on my bike. So here we go. So these are white epoxy paints and a glossy clear top coat for durability. Of course, you have to remove the rear wheel for better painting job, and you're gonna want to remove the rear sprocket as well, so you can paint front and back sides of it. Darn, that's a hard one. So I split it up for fun's sake so you won't get bored, and it's removed. Piece of cake. Alright, here comes the painting process right here. So I'm doing the final top coating finishes right here, making sure it would look glossy as I go through with the spraying process. Make sure you have a clean workspace, unlike mine, because I had issues with dust and dirt flying over it each time I spray. Trust me, you don't want to put dirt on your freshly painted hub covers or what have you. So I did 3 coatings here, just making sure it's thick and durable. Alright, looks like that is good to go. And here's a bonus clip. So here's our final product. It looks pretty nice and clean, isn't it? There you go. And I sped this up 6 times faster for anti-boring purposes sake. I'm peeling off these nasty masking tapes covering these bolt threads, and here comes the zoom effect. Alright, and this part right is just for show off purposes only, nothing really serious or important here. Alright, putting things back together. Boom, there you go. And another sped up clip here while putting these things together. Alright. Oh, this one's real time. So I'm just working through tightening it up here. Making sure it's sturdy and secured. There you go, look at that, sweetly done right there. Just don't mind these paint blotches on the teeth side. I'm gonna scrape them off anyway. Look how sweet the hub cover is. Again, I'm peeling off these nasty tapes that you no longer need. As you notice, you're gonna want to put some tapes on your brake shoes as well to avoid fitting issues when you put them back in place. And so it's evening and I'm putting these back together here. Make sure you don't watch my balls as you're watching this clip. Now, this tire makes me tired. This tire is so tiring. I'm tired of this. Don't mind my huge forehead. Just focus on the installation process, okay? So I'm just slowly putting them back in place, making sure not to damage the somehow freshly painted hub accessory here, or assembly. And we'll put the axle back in. Making sure they're nice and tight. And now that is pretty awesome job right there. Nicely done, huh? Look at that. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment below about your thoughts and inputs in this video. No expert at this shit, okay? So don't expect more of this work. And just enjoy the whole show. Look at that. That's Thailand flag, baby. Alright. Yamaha logo. I know, right? For those new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more videos to come. Thank you.